Game 1. To start. Diego. Deployment on the move. Stolen. The plan, one pass to go. Go. Faking. J-Lo. Utol ba ito ni J-Lo? Utol na. Kala ko ikaw din eh. Limo yung board. Drop pass to Boski. Boski. Using his body. Yabor. 2 points. Ang ganda panoodin, di ba? Pag-defense na, tapos ano. Alis lang. 3-point fade. Diretso, napapainit pa. Kuya Jem, labas to Yabor. Yabor, fading once again. Uh-oh, and tulad! My goodness, Diego! Spins! Inside! Foul! 3 seconds, nasa kabilang court na. Loving the energy, given by J-Lo. First throw, no good. Second throw. Yes, sir. Score natin, 1-2. Oralo. Plan. Weakness once again. Good defense. Uh-oh, too quick. Bumawi kagad. Traveling violation. Kuya Jem. Yabor fading. Inside to Oralo. Yes, sir. Score natin, 4-1. Tua. Go. Sure ball. No good. Papainit pa. Yabor. Nice ball movement. Staying on the steam. Perimeter shot. Too strong. Rebound, kanino, Yabor on the lefty, kay Kuya Jem pa rin, hindi. J-Lo, same body, same move ba? Pagkapatid niya, oy! 2 points, para kay Go. 3-4. Diego to Boski. Boski, trying the body. Great defense by J-Lo. J-Lo once again inside. Creates 2 free throws. Too short. No good. Oi! Yabor. Jem, oi! Creates the bounce pass. Miscommunication. J-Lo. Katalan. J-Lo on the right side. Finding Go. The shooter. Other side, opponent's ball. Pass ball, fast break opportunity. Diego, no good. Bago yung shoot. Bago shoot. Lebron to next gen. 3 points. Still finding their shots. Go is there. Go to J-Lo. J-Lo creates. Yes, sir. 2 points para kay J-Lo. Katalan, stolen. Change score. Score natin, 4-7. Namang po na nila J-Lo ng 3. Kuya Jam. The inside, denied by J-Lo once again. Good defense, Boys there. Making the shot. Here we go, inside, wow. Using his body and power inside the paint, rewarded 2 free throws. First throw, yes sir, 5-9. Second throw, yes sir. Catalan, what an explosive player. J-Lo inside. Sabi ni J-Lo, I have the power and body, but I have the speed also. My goodness, 13-6 ang score natin. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Poisson, he discovered foul on the arms. Grabe sa step back yun ah. Parang luka. Sure ball. 7-13. Another one. No good. J-Lo is there. Catalan. Back to goal. Go. A shooter. 3. Too quick. Poisson is there. Bosti. Inside. 9-16. What a play by Poisson and Perez. Catalan. To go. Go inside to J-Lo. J-Lo, my goodness, nice move. Sayang. Perez is there, diretso. Back to Poisson. Poisson. 3 seconds violation. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds in the game. Score natin, 9-16. J-Lo, don't dribble. Opponent's ball. Dwayne, faking the pass. Inside, tries to control, misses the handles. J-Lo waiting. Wow. Highlights yun ah. Poisson for 3. J-Lo again. Oralo denied the fast break transition. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Catalan inside 29. Solid ulit a goal. Finding the paint, same spot. Other side ball. Last 1 minute. Yamor inside. The entry is there. In the single. Great. Good bump. Good deep. Michael. Catalan. Chua. No good. J-Lo. Good. Last 50 seconds. Traveling violation. Last 35 seconds in the game. Lamang ng 10 sila Catalan. Catalan! On! At tulid. 22-10. Backward na dribble muna. Sa in-court. Good deep. Last 15 seconds. Oralo inside. Good defense by J-Lo. J-Lo na patulin. To Chua. Chua na bagawin mo. Traveling violation. Last 2 seconds. game ball. Yung score natin, 10-22. Game 1 winner will be kupunan nila Sean Galo.